Children, second method of finding roots of the quadratic equation. You know that there is a formula method. This is deleted from the syllabus. Still we should know the equation. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So, you must be wondering why I am discussing this formula method of finding roots of quadratic equation. Still, when it is deleted from the question, we should remember this equation children. Minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Because our next topic is what nature of the root. See children here, under the root what is there? B square minus 4ac. B is under root. You will decide nature of the roots. Our next topic. What is our next topic? Nature of the roots. We will decide discriminant. Discriminant. It will come for 1 mark question or 2 mark. What are discriminant? We will discriminant here b square minus 4ac is the discriminant denoted by letter capital E. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Very easy children. What is here b coefficient of x? What is a coefficient of x square? C constant that. Now b square minus 4ac is discriminant. So find the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Question will be asked. For example, take a question x square plus 7x plus 10. Yesterday one we solved. So find the discriminant. What is a value? What is a value? 1. B value 7. C value will be what? 10. What is discriminant? B square. B square is what? 7 square. D is equal to 49. Then minus 4ac. 4 into A is 1. C is 10. 4 1s are 4 10s are 40. 49 minus 40 is equal to 9. Value of discriminant is 9 children. So that's it. For that 1 or 2 mark question. Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now our next topic will be nature of the roots. Nature of the roots. Nature of the roots. Calling topic children this chapter quadratic equation very easy. Polynomials quadratic equation. Every chapter is easy. You have to put effort. That's it. Nature of the roots. Roots of the quadratic equation can be real. Can be real. Or it can be imaginary. Yeah. When we say roots are real, take the discriminant. B square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to 0. That is, discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0. Roots are real. When we say roots are imaginary, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. That is, discriminant is less than 0 because in the formula to saw the children where is b square minus 4ac it was under root. So it less than 0 means negative. Square root of a negative number does not exist. The roots are imaginary. Now come to real. The roots are real. Again, the roots can be further classified into 2 types. What are they? Roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and it can be distinct. And roots are real and equal. When we say roots are real, b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. When do we say distinct? When, again here there are 2 conditions. One is greater than 0 1 is equal to 0. B square minus 4AC is greater than 0. Roots are real and distinct. When do you say roots are real and equal? B square minus 4AC is equals to 0, children. We say roots are real, exist, and they are equal when b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. Distinct means different. Real roots are equal, children. That's it about this topic. Standard, what we studied, standard form of quadratic equation, then condition where a is not equal to 0, then we studied solving quadratic equation by how many methods? There are only 2 methods. Second method is related factorization method. We studied in polynomials. Then what is that? Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then we will decide the nature of the roots. Same discriminant b square minus 4ac. Either is less than 0, roots are imaginary. Then roots are real when b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Real roots are real and can be distinct. B square minus 4ac greater than 0. Roots are real and equals b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Good morning, children. Myself Srinivas Prabhu. Welcome to my YouTube channel Prabhu's Education Hub. Children, in my last 2 videos, I did 2 videos already on quadratic equation. In first video, I gave introduction about quadratic equation, very important. Please understand the basics, concepts. Then only you are able to solve the sums. Then I solved few sums in my second video. Now, few students have requested me to do some word sums. Good children, one question will come for 4 marks or 3 marks, word sum. Most of the children struggle in bringing the word sum into the quadratic form. We'll do it, children, now. First question, find 2 consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. What the question, children? Find 2 consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. So, how to start? Now, solution. Look at the question, children, again. Find 2 consecutive positive integers. Integers can be negative, 0 or positive, but is asking here is positive integers. Conditions. Mathematics is full of conditions. Look at the conditions and start the sum. Find 2 positive integers. What kind of positive integers? Consecutive. Consecutive means they appear continuously. So let the 2 consecutive means which are next to each other. Let the 2 consecutive positive integers be x and x plus 1. See, children, that's it. This is the first line. Many students struggle to write this. Consecutive means what? Which come one after the other. If 1 is a number, which is the consecutive of 1, 2. Which is the consecutive of 7, 8. Consecutive of 13, 14. Like that, children. What is the second condition? Sum of whose square is 365. Sum means you have to put plus symbol. Squares of sum of whose squares? Which are the 2 positive integers? You have taken x and x plus 1. Look at the condition. Sum of whose squares? Sum of their squares. X square plus x plus 1 whole square is what, children? 365. Is means equals. Now solve, children, finished. So x square. Now second term x plus 1 whole square. It's in the standard form, identity. A plus b whole square. What? X plus 1 whole square. X square plus 1 square 1 plus 2ab. 2 into a is x, b is 1. 2 into 1 into x, 2x, which is equal to 365. X square plus x square, 2x square plus 2x plus 1, 365. From RHS bring it to LHS, it becomes 3. If you recollect, one more step extra, 1 minus 365 children is equal to 0. Then 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0 children. So we'll arrange the first line. Whenever you have doubt, please pause the video and watch steps as many times as possible. Very easy 3-4 mark question. Now see children, many children will try to find the factors. You can simplify it further. See, what is this? 2x square plus 2x minus 364. Coefficient of x square, x as a constant term, all are even numbers. Divided by 2. The question will reduce, finding the factor becomes easier for you. Dividing by 2. What will get? X square plus x plus sorry children. So 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. Divided by 2, x square plus x minus 2 1s are 2, 1 remains 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. Now what you have to do children? Go for factorization, find the factors. Find two numbers such that their difference should be 1. What is x coefficient children here? 1. We have to find two numbers such that split the middle term x whose coefficient is 1 such that the difference should be 1 and the product should be 182. What are the numbers children? 182 divided. 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 13, 7s are 91. What are the numbers children? 14 and 13. 14 and 13. See, 7 2s are 14. 14 minus 13, what do we get? 1 children. Then 13 7s are 14 into minus 13. Plus into minus 182. Easy no children? So now be careful with the sign of the middle term. Middle term is plus, bigger number should be plus. If it was minus, minus cannot come there. If it is minus middle term, then the bigger number will be minus. So bigger number sign depends upon sign of the middle term children. So it is plus here. Take plus 14 and 13. What are the numbers? X square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. So what is this? X plus, take x common, x plus 14. Now children, I told in my previous videos, this x plus 14, blindly write x plus 14. No need to check here. Then you can take out the common factor. Now two things I told you, whatever factor comes here, same thing should come here also. X plus 14, x plus 14. Now do the adjustment. Now sign changes. Minus becomes plus. If sign changes, I said it minus will be outside. If it is minus here, it becomes plus, minus outside. If it was plus, if it changes to minus, again sign changes, minus outside. Then 13 common. 13 ones are 13, 13 14 are 182, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. Now x plus 4 is one common factor children. Then x minus 13 is another factor. Now x plus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 14 or which other thing, other factor, x is equal to 30. Now this is ruled out children. Why? What is the question? What the question says? Positive integer. Two integers are positive. This is negative. Negative is ruled out. Therefore, again, I will arrange this children. First line. Therefore, the required the required two consecutive positive integers, are what, children? So 14 is ruled out, 13 and 14. Why? Because two positive. If 13 is the first integer, what was our integers we assume? X and x plus 1. If 13 is first one, second one is 14. Easy, no, children? But confusing. Definitely not difficult. 4 hours, 3 marks, 1 question. Definitely, children. Please practice. Second sum, children. One sum. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. This is slightly different from previous sum, children. Don't get confused. Previous sum, two consecutive positive integers. Here, integers are not given, two integers. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Conditions are important. Let the two numbers be x and 27 minus x, children. If one number is x, many children will take it as x plus 1, or let the second number be y. No, it's not given. If one is x, second one will be 27 minus x. Suppose I have taken 27 rupees from my two students. One student gives me x rupees. Together they give me 27 rupees. What the other student has contributed? 27 minus x. Suppose first student has given me 10 rupees. Second student has given 27 minus 10, 17 rupees. Many children will write it as x minus 27. Please take care of it, children. Otherwise you will get negative integers. So come to the condition. Whose sum is 27? Sum means again plus x plus 27 minus x is 27 and product is 182. Product means what, children? X into 27 minus x is what? 182. Sum will come as 27 only because x plus 27 minus x will be how much? 27 because x gets cancelled. Put the second condition. X into 27 minus x will be 182, children. Now what you have to do? Open the bracket, simplify. X square should always be positive. If it is negative, shift it to other side. X into 27, 27x. X into x minus x square is equal to 182. X square should be always positive. Shift it to RHS. X square minus 27x is equal to, no, children, plus 182 is equal to 0 because I shifted both the terms to RHS. Minus x square becomes plus 27 becomes minus. And arrange these two lines, children. Now split the middle term 27. So take the help of constant term. Children, in our previous question middle term was plus, here it is minus. So bigger number will be minus, larger number. So do it from 2. 2 nines are 2 ones are. Again, children, 13 sevens are 91. What are the two numbers? 13 twos are 2 nines are 2 ones are. Then 13 sevens are 91. Which are the two numbers? 7 twos are 14 and 13. So which two numbers we got, children? 13 and 14. What the required number? 27, children. Please be careful. Larger than these two numbers. So we have to add them. Then they should have same. Okay. I put 14 and 13, 27. Your answer will be wrong. What we should get? Minus 27. Therefore, both should be same. Minus. They can be minus or plus. Since this is middle term minus, take 14 and 13. What number will get here? X square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182, children. Now, what the next one? take x common, x into x minus 14. Then keep it in mind, children. See, without seeing, I'll write here x minus 14. So what was the sign? Middle sign here? Plus. Plus become minus. Minus outside. Means what? I've taken minus outside as well as 13. 13, 14 is 182. You know, your factor is 182. Now, next step. One factor is x minus 14. Other one is x minus 13 is equal to 0. What are the values? X minus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. X is equal to 14, x is equal to 13. Which are the two numbers, children? The two required numbers are 14 and 13, whose sum is 27. 14 plus 13, 27. 14 to 13, 182. Right, children, here. Therefore, the required two numbers are 14 and 13. Okay, now children, easy. Please get your concepts clear. We'll go to next sum. Good morning, children. Third sum. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeters, find the other two sides. What the question? Altitude of a right triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeters, find the other two sides. Now, come children. What you have to do? Altitude is 7 centimeters less than the base. Means let the base be x centimeter. Then what will be the altitude? Altitude will be x minus 7 centimeters. Then hypotenuse will be 13 centimeters. Now draw a right triangle. Draw a right triangle. Triangle in which one angle is 90 degrees. You have to apply Pythagoras theorem. What is hypotenuse? 13 centimeters. Let the base. What is the base? X. What will the altitude height? Height will be x minus 7. So this should be longer, this should be shorter, children. Yeah. Now apply Pythagoras theorem. What will happen? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. And find the answer. 13 square. 13 square is equal to AB square is how much? X minus 7 whole square plus x square. Now expand this x minus 7 whole square. 13 square 169 x square plus 49 minus 14x plus x square. X square plus x square 2x square plus minus, we'll write it in the specific order, plus 49 minus 169. And arrange these children. Now, what will happen? 49 minus 169 minus 120 minus 14x 2x square. How much is this? 120. 169 minus 49. Then all are multiples of 2, children. Divide by 2. What do we get? Divide by 2 we get x square. We get x square minus 7x plus 260. What are the factors, children? For 7 and 60, split the middle term. So factorize 60. 12 5s are 60. 2 3s are 2, 15s are 3, 5s are 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 minus 5, 7, 12 5s are 16. Now, what 7? What 7? Since the middle term is minus and the factors are one bigger and one smaller than the middle number, what you have to do? X square minus 12x plus 7x plus 5x plus 60. A common factor. X into x minus 12. What you should write here? I told you the trick. Blindly write same factor here. X minus 12. Whatever you get here, write it. Sign changes. I told you the second trick. Minus outside 5. X minus 12. X minus 5 are the two factors. What does it imply? X is equal to 12 or x is equal to 5. Now children, see, address this. What was our triangle our written? Remember, what is hypotenuse? 13 centimeter. What is the base? X. What is this? X minus 7. Then 5 is ruled out, children, because height cannot be negative. If you put 5, 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Height cannot be negative, so this is 5. Then 12. 12 minus, no, this is 12. X is 12. X minus 12 minus 5, 12 minus 7 is what? 12 minus 5, 7. 5, 12, 13, they form Pythagorean triplet. So, this is our answer. What is the height? Height AB is 5 centimeter. Base BC is equal to how much? 7 centimeter. Hypotenuse is given 5. Base is 12. 5, 12, 13, therefore Pythagorean triplet. Isn't it, children? Very tricky sum. You have to be very careful. Why x is 12, not 5. Last question, children. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced. If the cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find number of articles and cost of each article. Very lengthy question, children, isn't it? So, but very answer is very easy. Yeah. What is that? Cottage industry produces certain number of pottery articles. Let the number of articles produced be X, we will take. And then it was observed that cost of production of each article and cost of each article in rupees was how much? 3 more than twice the number of articles produced. So what was the articles produced? We'll call it as X. What the cost of each article? 2x plus 3. Twice, 3 more than twice the number of articles. On a particular day, on that day, what was the cost? Rupees 90. That is x into 2x plus 3 is 90. Find the number of articles and cost of each article. So, I'll drop this question, children, because the question itself has occupied entire space in the board. So, what is that? Let the number of articles produced be X. Then the cost of each article was how much? was how much? 3 more than twice the article. X is number of articles produced, children. And what is the cost given in the question? 3. See here, children. 3 more than twice. Twice means 2 times of articles produced. Yeah. Then on a particular day, if the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90. Understood? Yeah. What was the total cost of production? Rupees 90. What the number of articles into cost of each article. Cost of production is how much? Rupees 90, children. What is that? From this we have to derive an equation and solve it. That's it. Once again, question is very lengthy. Don't get tense. See, you got the answer. So, what is the total cost of production? Rupees 90. What is total cost of production? Number of articles into cost of each article is equal to 90. See, children. Question is very big, answer is very small. X into 2x, 2x square plus 3x is equal to 90. So, 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. So, before splitting the middle term, x square coefficient is to shift it to constant term. This is the original equation, children. X square plus 3x minus 90 to the 180. This is temporary. What are the factors, children? What are the factors? 180, 2 9s are 2, 45s are 3, 15s are 3, 5. What are factors here? What are factors? 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 18. 18 minus 5 3s are 15. 3 2s are 6, 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 15 into 12, how much, children? 180. 15 minus 12, 3. We got the two numbers. What 3 we should get? Plus 3. So I said bigger number should be plus 15 minus 12. Is that it, children? So again, I'll erase this top two lines. So it's just confusing. 4 mark question, not difficult, very easy but confusing. That's why pause my video and get your all doubts clear. Come back, children. Now what is the original equation? 2x square plus what will in place of 15x what will write? 3x, 15x minus 12x minus 90 minus 90, children. So what you can do, you can shift 15x to this side, 12x to this side. Simplification becomes easy. You write it here, 12x, and write it here, 15x. It will be easy. So, take out the common factor, 2x. What will remain here? X minus 6. Is that it, children? Then, what did I tell you? See, without looking into the board, without looking at you, I'll write x minus 6. Same factor we should write here. See, without looking here, I will return. Now, what was the sign here? Minus. What is the sign here? Minus. Same sign, outside plus I said, children. Then, take 56 and 9. Yes or no? Yes. So, 2x plus 15 into x minus 6. Again, arrange this. So, what do we get, children? 2x plus 15 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 15. X is equal to minus 15 by 2, which is rolled out. Because why this rolled out, children? Can you tell me? This is rolled out because cost cannot be negative. 15 by 2 is fraction, 7.5. But x cannot be negative. So, x is equal to 6. So, cost of, therefore cost of each article is how much, children? Rupees. No, number of articles produced is not cost of each article, number of articles. First one is what, children? Number of articles. Number of articles is produced how much? Is equal to X, which is equal to 6. Cost of each article, cost of each article was how much, children? 2x plus 3. What is x value? 2 into 6 plus 3. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Isn't it, children? What was the total cost? Total cost was 90. 6 into 15. 6 15s are 90. Yes or no, children? 6 15s are 90. It tells. Thank you.